Let's create one more tutorial in Onshape. In this tutorial, you'll learn to use Sweep, Extrude, and Chamfer. So open the Onshape and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we'll create a line here with 150 millimeters. And we will create an arc. This arc here has 285 plus 115 over 2. It will be 200 millimeters of radius. And we will create this line here with 150 millimeters. So let's create this. Go to Sketch, select the front plane, press letter N and letter P in the keyboard, select a line, click here in the midpoint, and make a line here with 150 millimeters. Move the mouse here and go back to this point to create an arc, and make an arc here with 200 millimeters of radius, and create a line here with 150 millimeters. Make sure that this line here is tangent with the arc. We made this one. And now finish the sketch. And we will create the profile of this pipe. And this pipe is a circle with 170 millimeters of diameter. And the inner circle has 150 millimeters of diameter. So go to Sketch, press letter P to show the planes, and select the right plane. And now select the circle. Click here in the midpoint, make a circle with 170 millimeters of diameter, and create another circle with 150 millimeters of diameter. And finish the sketch. And now go to Sweep, and here, the face to sweep, select this area, and the sweep path, select this sketch one. So we will make this pipe, and press OK. We made this one. And now, we will create this flange here. So to create this flange, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. It is a square with 300 millimeters. And in the corners, we have a fillet with 20 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch. You can select this face here to create a sketch. And select center point rectangle, click here in the midpoint. Make a rectangle here with 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. And in the corners, make a fillet. And this fillet has 20 millimeters of radius. And make a fillet in the others edges. And now we will make this hole here. This hole has 40 millimeters of diameter. And the distance between this hole here and the midpoint is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. So select the circle. Click here, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter. And go to Dimensions, press letter D in the keyboard, select this point and this point. The distance here, 100 millimeters. And the distance here, 100 millimeters. Let me move the dimensions here a little bit. And now go to Circular Pattern. And here select the circle. And select the midpoint here. And click here. the quantity you change to 4. Let me see, it's not coincident here, so go to constraint, select the coincident, find the center and select here the midpoint. That's okay. And now go to extrude, and here make sure to select this area and select this area here. Don't select the center circle. And we need to extrude this 40 millimeters. So the distance here is 40 millimeters and press OK. Now we need to create the same, but in the other face. We will create here. So we have the same dimensions. So let's create this. But here I will create these holes without using the circular pattern, okay? So go to sketch and select this face. Select center point rectangle, find the center of the circle, make a square here, 300 by 300 millimeters. In the corners, make a fillet with 20 millimeters of radius. And select the circle, make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter. And go to dimension. The distance here is 100 millimeters by 100 millimeters. And now select the circle again and make a circle from the center to this point here. And make the circle a construction geometry. And now select the circle again. Make a circle here, another circle here, and another one here. And go to constraint, select equal to make the circles with the same diameter. And now go to vertical, select this point and this point here. And go to horizontal, select this point and this point, this point and this point. And finish the sketch, go to extrude. And the area, select this area and select this area here. And we need to extrude this 40 millimeters. And press OK. And now to finish this exercise, we need to create a chamfer. We have a chamfer here in the both sides with 5 millimeters equal distance. So here, go to chamfer and select this edge and this edge here. The distance 5 millimeters, the type equal distance, and press OK. And that's it. Here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.